Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine, and on this video, I want to share with you some items that maybe you already know about or items that maybe you missed out on. So since this week we have so many great deals at CVS, I already included those in my CVS haul, but some I was able to go back and I was able to do them, so they're confirmed deals. Some of these are freebies and Moneymaker, so I'm gonna show you exactly which are the items I did get. There's, I believe, two items that they're not free, but I think is worth mentioning. So let's just get started with these deals. The first deal I want to share with you is Nivea lotion. I couldn't do this deal on Sunday because most of the stores I went to, they were out. But luckily, I was able to do this during the week. So if you have this coupon and this CRT, just know that this coupon does expire soon. So this is the last chance for you to actually get this item for 49 cents if you don't have the CRT, and if you have the CRT, for a nice money maker. So what you do is buy the Nivea, buy two of the lotion for $4.99. That will be $9.98. Use two coupons from the Smart Source, $9.29. Then it will deduct $2 for each, so deduct $4. But if you have that CRT, it'll deduct $3 additional dollars. Deducted from your account, from your total. So now your total will be $2.98, but at the end of that receipt, you're gonna get $5, making it free, and $2.02 money maker. This one for me was like about $5 money maker, but as you can see on the receipt, I use a beauty reward. Because I'm spending items on a lot of items on beauty. I'm earning $3 for every 30 that I spend before coupons. So I was able to pay exactly the $2.98 out of using that beauty reward. So nothing really came out of pocket. So this came out to free and $5 money maker. Here is the all-made deal. There's so many scenarios, especially if you still have this $5 ECB, actually CRT, that expires today. This was printing last week, and as you can see, what you have to do is spend 12 and you get 4, but today I got this at the end of my receipt, deducting another 5, but I need to spend 25. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy one of these foundations that are new. I really wanna try them out, and this one retails for $13.99. And then I'm going to use this coupon, which is a face product, deducting 4. And then I'm going to buy this product here. This is the primer, and this one retails for $11.99. So I was able to reach $25. So I'm going to use 2 of the 4 and these 2 CRTs. I should get back 8 ECB, making this deal free. This deal would have been free, but when we went to check our receipt, the primer came out to $12.99, not $11.99. So instead of free, just came out to 98 cents for both products, or 49 cents each, which is a great, oh my gosh, great price for foundation. I have a beauty channel, and I like to sometimes test out new products and do a video about it. So this would be perfect. It's just 49 cents each. This was a new CVS that we're at, and they have the self-checkout, so we were able to do this transaction with the CRTs and the coupons, and everything came out pretty smooth. So we focus on that and not on the price on the receipt. So if you do find it for $11.99, then it will be free. So now we're gonna go to Maybelline. As you know, we're gonna be getting a mystery CRT, and the value of that mystery CRT is $2. And I'd had one from last week of $3. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy 2 of the single eyeshadows. On the store, they're $4.19. So I'm gonna buy 2, and I'm gonna pair it with this coupon that says Maybelline and shadow products. So remember, it's a limit of 1. I'm going to use this CRT and also this CRT. So it should come out to free and $2 and a little bit more money maker. Probably your CRTs that printed last week already expire, but what you could do is if you have a 3 off 12 coupon for cosmetics, then it could replace that Maybelline coupon or CRT that we got last week. Also know that once I did this video this week, I already had checked my Saving Star app, and I on Sunday had selected some Maybelline offers that were there. And this week I was able to see that I got back $1 just for the eyeshadow for purchasing one. So keep in mind that if you do have the 3 off 12 CRT for cosmetics, and you select, you activate those offers from your savings star, and make sure that you add your account from CVS, it automatically will deduct it. So this came out to $3.62 Moneymaker, including the savings star cashback. The next deal I want to share with you, this one I was able to do as well this week. This came out to $3 Moneymaker. This one is very easy to do, but just check, scan your card to see if you're getting any CRTs that has to do with Hallmark. I purchased 3 cards, and I think that one was so cute. I'm glad my husband picked that one out because my niece, she loves anything has to do with unicorns. So I thought that was a pretty cute card. The cards do need to be $1.99, so we purchased the ones that are 2 for $4, so we purchased 3. We printed a coupon from the CVS. You go to CVS.com and you're able to print a CVS. This is a CVS coupon, and it's deducting 3. So I used that coupon, and also this CRT. I wasn't sure if it was going to work, but the CRT does say manufacturer, so we had no problem using this CRT. That deducted $3 as well. So in the register, we didn't pay anything out of pocket. We got back 3 ECB for purchasing these 3 cards, making it free, and $3 Moneymaker. So that's another great deal that I want you guys to know that is going on this week. Guys, this would be a great deal. It'll come out to $1 each if you have the other coupon. This one is 2 for 6 Suave, and once you buy 2, you get 2 ECB, and there's a coupon that came out today deducting 2 of 2. But I'm gonna pair this deal with the L'Oreal. I think I'm gonna get this one. This one looks pretty nice, the rose. This one looks nice too. This is the one I've been taking sometimes, the Moroccan infusion. But I'm gonna combine this deal since I got today a 3 of 12 CRT. I'm gonna combine it with the L'Oreal, which is 2 for $8. 2 for $8, and once you buy 2, you get the 3 ECB. Also today we got a coupon deducting 3 of 2. So once we paid and we get the 3 ECB and the 2 ECB, it should come out to free. Also, what helps for this to be free was that I had 2 coupons in my CVS app. They're in app, and it was 50 cents off for L'Oreal shampoo and 50 cents off L'Oreal conditioner. So you just buy 1 of each and use that CRT that I mentioned, all those coupons that we received today, and you will pay 5, but you'll get back 2 ECB and then 3 ECB for L'Oreal, making it free. The last thing I want to mention to you is not advertised, or at least buy 2 get 5 for Garnier is advertised, but it does say excludes mask. But for some reason this is working. So I did try it. I purchased 2 for $3.19. That's the price in my store. I've seen it for a lot less too. So depending what it is on your store, I feel like this is a deal worth mentioning because I really like these masks. There's no coupons needed, so you will pay $6.38. You get back 5 ECB for buying 2, making it 69 cents each. So it's a pretty good deal. But like I mentioned, it's not something that it should be included, but for some reason it's working. The last thing I want to mention is the Nivea. If you don't have the CRT for the lotion, that was the first deal that I shared with you. That is buy 2 for 5. Look for the little creams that I did share my Instagram that I did last week. Those were printing and we had no problems, and that was a nice money maker as well. So if you don't find the lotion or you don't have that CRT, look for the cream. They're about $1.69 or so, and it will be a nice money maker. Just make sure you buy 2. So I wanted to share with you guys some great deals that are money makers, or like this one, it was just 69 cents depending the price in your store. And there's some are freebies. Yeah, some CRTs did expire on Sunday, but you could find another CRT like I mentioned for the cosmetics that you could pair it up and still get a great deal for a freebie or a money maker. So I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. You're getting ready for the new ad for CVS. But in the meantime, don't miss out these deals. So until the next video, bye.